How I survived my worst financial decisions. After everything fell apart, people asked me one question. How did you survive it? The truth is, I didn't recover overnight. I didn't find a miracle solution. I didn't suddenly get rich. I survived by doing the hardest thing first. I stopped lying to myself. For the first time, I wrote everything down. Every loan, every interest rate, every penalty. No hiding, no guessing. I faced the full number, even though it scared me. That moment hurt, but it gave me control again. The second thing I did was stop borrowing completely. No new loans, no refinancing tricks. No, just one more and I'm done. I realized this truth the hard way. You cannot dig out of a hole while still digging. Even when things felt tight, I chose stability over relief. Next, I separated survival from lifestyle. I cut my life down to essentials. Food, shelter, transportation. Everything else became optional. It wasn't comfortable, but it was temporary. And temporary discomfort is better than permanent damage. One of the most important decisions I made was asking for help. I stopped pretending I had everything under control. I spoke to people who understood money better than I did. Not everyone judged me. Some people helped me see options I couldn't see alone. That changed everything. I also stopped gambling, completely. No betting apps, no small chances, no hope-based decisions. I learned that gambling isn't a financial plan. It's emotional escape disguised as opportunity. Walking away felt like losing, but it was actually winning. Then I rebuilt income, slowly and honestly. No shortcuts, no risky schemes. I focused on skills I already had. I looked for stable, predictable ways to earn. It wasn't fast money, but it was safe money. I created simple rules and followed them strictly. One rule saved me the most. If I don't have the cash, I don't buy it. No exceptions. No wants disguised as emergencies. Stop lying to yourself by calling a want an emergency. In real life, many financial mistakes don't happen because of true emergencies. They happen because we relabel wants to make them feel justified. I need a new phone. The old one still works. I need to attend this event. It's optional, not required for survival. I need better clothes right now. You want them, not need them today. A real emergency threatens health, safety, shelter, basic income ability. Everything else is a want, even if it feels urgent. That rule alone stopped me from falling back. Over time, something unexpected happened. My confidence returned. Not because I was debt-free, but because I was disciplined. I trusted myself again. Here's what survival really looks like. It's boring, it's slow, it's unglamorous, but it works. And most people never talk about it because it doesn't sound exciting. If you're watching this and you're struggling right now, hear this clearly. You don't need a miracle. You need honesty, structure, and patience. That's how I survived my worst financial decisions. And if I could survive mine, you can survive yours too. If this video is helpful, please subscribe, like, and share to help others. Thank you.